Hello everybody. Okay, I'm here to talk about the Swagbucks games. And by saying the Swagbucks games, I mean these 3 online games that you can play from the Swagbucks page. They are free. You don't have to download anything. You don't have to download an app. You don't have to buy anything inside an app or nothing. You just play this online and you make a total of 10 Swagbucks per day. It's not much, but it's something you add up to the rest of the stuff you can do in Swagbucks. If you don't know anything about Swagbucks, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can check around here on YouTube and you're going to see a lot of videos on Swagbucks. It's a good page to make some extra cash in your spare time. You won't get rich, you won't become a millionaire out of this. You may like this kind of thing. Instead of wasting your time, you can do something, you know. But I myself have some videos on Swagbucks in my channel, but I don't recommend you see them unless you know Spanish, because my Swagbucks videos are all in Spanish. Anyway, after watching this video to the end, you're welcome to visit my channel, and if you would like to subscribe, that would be great. But I decided to make this video because honestly, when I started off in Swagbucks around, I think, a little more than a year ago, I didn't know about these things, and I saw some videos that said that you have to do something really fast and get out, but I suppose things changed over time, and I found my way around it to do it really fast, and I wanted to share it with anybody that wants to see it or may need it. So, first of all, these games are in the play section. In the play section of Swagbucks, you have these 3 online games, but this may happen to you, that you go here. I went to my gold survey tab and you go to the play section, you click on it, wait a little while, and something wonderful happens. Everything disappears. There's nothing in the play section. This happens to me. All the way down, you got nothing there. If that happens to you, I'll leave a link in the description of the video that will take you directly, once you're logged in, of course, it'll take you to the play section, but already loaded with the games. And I don't know why that happens. I don't know why sometimes in some places, I don't know if it's a regional thing or maybe a browser thing. I don't know. Anyway, if that was your problem, use the link and you'll end up right here, and from here you can access these other games also. Now, these games, as I said, are only 10 SBs per day. You can make those 10 SBs in 4 minutes if you do it correctly. I usually use these 2 games, this one and this one. Pyramid Solitaire, now, I mean these days, now we're in May 2021, is kind of complicated. It doesn't really give my 2 SBs efficiently every second game, because this works this way. One game it doesn't give you anything, you exit the game, and the next time around it gives you your 2 SBs. But we do this really fast. I'm gonna start off showing you this process right now. I do 4 of these Mahjongg Dimensions, and then I do 1 Alu's Revenge. This is the quickest way to make those 10 SBs in a couple of minutes and get over with this, because this sort of game, as I said before, you don't have to really get a lot of points or do something extraordinary to get the SBs. What you got to do is do a couple of things and get out. Like, for example, what I'm doing right now, and quit. Yes, and you're out of here. Now you have to do the play again. This is the easiest way to make the points, following these simple steps. Pay attention what I'm going to do. You click on one. Of course, you have to click on a cube that is on one of the edges, like here, here, or here, and you click on a pair, and then you have other cubes with edges which you can use, so you do that again, and you click on its pair. You only do that twice, and you quit and you're out. And this time you are going to get your 2 SBs the second time around. One time you don't get it, the next time you get it. There you go. So you play again. and you do this again. Now I'm going to show you another little detail so that you can keep on getting these 2 SBs the second time around. I click on one and I wait until it falls down here, and then I click on the other one, and then I wait until it stops counting the points before I click on another pair. Now I can click on another pair. I wait until it falls, and then I click on its pair. Quit. I'm out. Another thing I usually do is get a pad, and I already did a 0 and a 1, and now I'm sorry, 2 SBs, and now I got another 0 SBs, and this time around I suppose, no, this one is the 0 SB. Okay, I'm playing again. Why do I have to do this? I mean, why do I have to wait until the thing falls, for example? Like here, and wait until it falls. I could just go and do it quickly, you know. It doesn't, and it probably will give me the points. But I found out that this way I have a guarantee that every time in my second try I will get my 2 SPs. Otherwise, sometimes you have to do 2 or 3 or 4 games until you get your 2 SPs. That's what happened to me. But doing it this way, waiting a little bit, having a little bit of patience, which isn't really a lot of time, just gotta have a little patience, you get your 2 SPs the second time around, like I did now. So I'll write it down again. I got a 2. Okay. And of course, since I'm recording the screen, this is very slow compared to what I usually do. I mean, this is really slow today. I mean, this goes boom, but now it doesn't. So I do this 4 times. I do this, I get 4 pairs of SBs this way. So now I'm not going to get any. I'll speed up this video so I'll finish my fourth one. And here I got my 4th pair of SBs. What I usually, I could do this again and do it one more time. You can do it, it's great. I mean, you can do it one more time, but I'm going to show you what I usually do. Instead of going to play again, I go back to the game page. And I play Alu's Revenge. Why do I play this game last and once? Because after, I used to play it before this game, but what happens is that after your first pair of games, you have to do it 2 or 3 or 4 times to get your pair of SBs. So it's better to do it last, since you can do it only once efficiently. I leave it for the last because it's very quick. You're really fast. You get these 2 SBs. Okay, play now. You forgot to water my plants when I went on vacation. Oh, the guy's angry. So what you have to do is click on a pair of these. I don't know why lately it doesn't have any sound. It don't make no difference. It had a nice little music to it or something. Okay, no SPs. You go again. Play now. It took over 10 years to make any updates to my game. Oh, well, okay, the guy's angry. And do this again. It's very, you know, I mean, it could be fun even to play for nothing, but anyway. And that's it. You got your last 2 SBs. And that adds up to the 10 SBs you can do in a day with this activity, and then you can move on to the rest of the stuff you do regularly in Swagbucks. And somebody can say, well, it's just a dime a day. What difference does that make? It's just a dime. That's something like $3 a month. That's something like $36 a year. You can just throw it away and not do it, but you know, it's there. It's just 4 minutes or 5 of your time. Okay, don't throw it away, or do if you want to, but I showed you the way to do it. Okay, that'll be it. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. I'm really glad you did. I hope this video was an itsy bitsy little help to somebody. If you liked it, like it. Click on the little like thing down there. By the way, if you're not registered in Swagbucks and would like to register, use my referral that's in the description below, please. If you use a referral after you reach your first 300 SBs, Swagbucks automatically duplicates that, and all of a sudden you have 600 SBs. And that's going to be good for you and good for me. So thanks in advance. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, that'll be great. I may do some other videos in English. I really hope you can comment and say whatever you want. Anyway, okay, God bless you. Have a good time. Bye-bye.